How to deactivate a Twitch account. Hello everyone and welcome to TikTok. If you don't want to delete a Twitch account but temporarily go away from it, then all you need to do is follow this very simple step. So first thing first, open Twitch on a device. Now here on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will see your profile icon, so tap on it. Now tap on settings located on top left hand side of your screen. Now simply scroll down all the way to bottom and here you will see this option account, so tap on it. And here you will find this option to disable account, so tap on it. Now it will ask you for the reason to disable an account. If you want to add something, simply tap on this box and then add something, or else this process is optional, so simply go back and then tap on disable account. And there you go. The last thing, it will ask you to verify your account, so simply tap on continue with Google and then select the Google account that you have used on your Twitch account. So once you do that, your account will be successfully disabled and you will be logged out of Twitch. So this is how you can disable account on Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.